In this video, we are going to take a look at how to insert Google Maps or how to add Google Maps to any WordPress website. We are going to follow some few steps. The first step is to add the business to Google Maps. That is, if it is not already existing on Google Maps. And then the second step is to insert the map onto our website. So let's get started. Before we do so, do well to like this video and to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified of videos just like this one. That said, let's get into it. So the first thing to do here is to add our business to Google Maps if it is not already existing on Google Maps. So let's do that by going to business.google.com. And you can see here that I have two businesses. So if you don't have one, simply go to add business, and I'm going to start demonstrating the whole process here. Add single business and click on add your business to Google. Type the name of the business. So here I've entered just any name and then choose a category. So let's say web designer. Proceed to next. And then here we are asked whether we want to add a location, a physical location, and we will choose yes so that the location becomes visible on the map. So choose yes, proceed to next. So add the details here, add the name of the city, and proceed. You are likely to see already existing businesses that have the same name like your own, and Google will suggest that you choose those ones, or otherwise select this radio button. This doesn't match, so that you can add your own differently. So next. And here we are supposed to place the pointer on the exact location of the business. If the business is located at the exact place that you are currently, then you can ensure that you turn on your location so that it will access the exact place and place the marker or the pointer on that place. So having done that, we can now proceed to next and do additional settings. For example, we are asked here, do we provide deliveries or home and office visits? So if that is applicable to your business, then of course you should choose yes. Otherwise, then choose no and add your information. So these are just a few steps away from getting the business listed on Google Maps. So having completed this step, the next thing to do is to add the business to our website. And to do that, let's first go to see the business location on the map. So go to maps.google.com and search for the name of your business here. So I'm using a different business name, so I'll select that from here. And this is the business. Click on the menu item here and then select share or embed map and then choose embed a map. And you can indicate the size of the map here by selecting from the drop down menu. You have small, medium, large, and then you can even indicate a custom size just as you deem appropriate. So let's say that you want a larger one. And the first method of adding this to our website is that you are going to embed the whole HTML code into our website. So let's do that first. So copy the HTML code and let's go to our dashboard and add a new page. So go to pages and add new. And here we are going to name it contacts. Let's publish it. With this one, we are going to use the Gutenberg blog editor to insert an HTML code. So click on add and then we are going to select custom HTML. We are going to now paste the code that we copied from Google Maps here. Let's now update it and then take a look at the website. So there you have it. You see the map displaying here beautifully, and we can adjust the settings here by adding a few paddings and all that so that we could have it located beautifully at the center here. But then this is the first method of using Gutenberg blog editor to be able to insert the maps as one option. The second option is that we insert the maps using Elementor page builder. So I'm assuming that if you installed Elementor page builder, otherwise you can easily do that by going to plugins and adding a new plugin, search for Elementor and install, then activate it. After that, go to pages and add a new page. And let's say this page is contact us. So edit with Elementor. At the elements section, we are going to search for maps or Google Maps. Drag and drop it into this area. And this method is simpler even than the first one. So here we are required to enter the location or the business name. So let's just enter a business name and add a location to make it more specific. So you can see here that the name of the business has displayed, and then we have two options, the zoom and then the height. So we can enlarge this to any extent that you want. So as you drag it, you see that it will be expanding so that we can have a broader perspective of the location of the business, or we can drag it backwards. And then you also have the height of the map. So you can see a height here. We can increase this height to any level that you want. We want it bigger or smaller. We can equally do that. So let's publish this and take a look at it. Publish, and let's have a look. So you can see that this one gave us more flexibility, and we can see the map and the page just as we wanted it. And the business is located on the map here, and we've inserted this beautifully into our website. So this is basically how we add Google Maps to any WordPress website. If you have any comments, share with us, and do well to like this video. I'll see you in the next video.